My question is, how can people living thousands of years ago describe these mind-bending events? To better understand the story of King Muchukunda, first we have to look at a very strange scientific phenomenon known as time dilation. The general theory of relativity proposed by Albert Einstein showed that time is an entirely different dimension, which is affected by the velocity and mass of an object. If you've seen the movie Interstellar, you can get a very clear picture of how time runs at different speeds at different locations in our universe. For instance, time runs extremely slowly near an astronomically massive object like a supermassive black hole. If you spend a few days near a black hole, then surprisingly, a few months or years would have passed on planet Earth. It is now a scientifically verified fact and not a concept from some science fiction movie. Now, if you think about the story of King Muchukunda, you will realize that the phenomenon of time dilation was the reason why the king lost his family and kingdom. Swargaloka seems to be located near an astronomically massive object, and time runs at much slower speed than on Earth. Apparently, the king was unaware of this fact and was taken advantage of. The ancient Hindu texts are filled with stories like these, which can only be explained by modern scientific theories. But my question is, how can people living thousands of years ago describe these mind-bending events? So, is it not possible that what the ancient writers have written are true events? Was Earth really once a part of an intergalactic civilization? I'll leave that for you to decide.